In the world of fleet operations, safety and fuel efficiency are critical to controlling costs and keeping drivers safe. Analysing telematics data can be slow and complex, especially when you're managing hundreds of drivers and vehicles. Luckily, this fleet operator uses OneAdvanced AI. With data kept secure, hosted only in the UK, and never used to train models, they can gain insights quickly while staying fully GDPR compliant. Dave has been asked by his manager to provide some analysis of a recently downloaded set of telematics data, using a file containing trip summaries for 20 drivers and 15 vehicles. Each record includes distance travelled, fuel used, incidents of harsh acceleration and braking, idle time, and some safety and economy scores. Dave uploads the data file and enters the prompt. Analyse this telematics trip data for 20 drivers. Higher eco safety scores equals better, lower equals worse. Focus on harsh braking, acceleration, and idle time too. Identify the 3 poorest drivers and compare their averages to fleet-wide averages. Eco score, safety score, harsh events, idle percentage. Summarise key behaviour trends and give 2 to 3 coaching tips for each driver in a concise table. Within seconds, OneAdvanced AI highlights the 3 drivers with the lowest economy and safety scores, comparing their performance to the fleet average and summarising why they perform poorly, such as frequent harsh braking or excessive idling. It also provides clear coaching recommendations for how they can improve. Next, the operator enters the second prompt. Analyse the telemetrics data to predict which vehicles are most likely to develop worsening fuel efficiency or require maintenance next month. Base this on trends in fuel per kilometre compared to the fleet average over time. Rank the top 3 vehicles at risk and explain why. OneAdvanced AI reviews historical fuel usage trends across all vehicles and flags 2 with declining efficiency, likely due to maintenance issues. The result? Early insight to prevent breakdowns, reduce fuel costs, and keep the fleet on the road. With OneAdvanced AI, fleet managers can analyse driver behaviour and vehicle performance in seconds, identify risks before they become costly problems, and do it all within a secure UK-hosted environment that remains private and compliant with GDPR. Discover more about the responsible use of AI at oneadvanced.com/AI.